In this video, we will be going over another 11 plus question. So here we have a question that compares the speeds of two different motions and we have to see which is faster. So we have our question. If walking is 3.5 times faster than swimming, if I want to get from A to B, is it faster to swim straight across or walk around the edge? So we have our speeds and we have our distance, but the only way we can compare them is if we take the time. So let's take swimming first. We know our distance, which is 9 meters, because this is the width of the pool. And our time, we don't know our time, so we'll just have that as a question mark next to time. And we're told that its speed is 3.5 times slower than walking. So if we take swimming speed as x, just any value that x can hold. Now let's try walking. So if we take our values for walking, our distance for walking is, right, so A and B are both midpoints of their sides. So we go from A to the corner, which is going to be half of 24, which is 12. Then we add 9 from that distance, and then we add another 12 to get to B. So if we do 12 plus 12 plus 9, we get our distance as 33 meters. We don't know the time. And we have our speed here as 3.5 times faster than swimming, so we can have speed as 3.5x. Now, we can use our equation, speed equals distance over time. And we can rearrange to get time. So time is equal to distance over speed. Now, let's put swimming and walking and substitute those values into our formula here. So the time for swimming is equal to the distance, which is 9 meters, divided by our speed, which is x. For walking, we have time as our distance, which is 33 meters, divided by our speed, which is 3.5x. Now we want to manipulate both of these fractions so that it's in easier terms for us to compare their sizes. So let's start off with our walking. So 3.5 can be written as 7 over 2. So we get 33 divided by 7 over 2x. This can be rearranged to get 33 times 2 over 7x. And this can now be written as 66 over 7x. Now, with our time for swimming, we also have x in our denominator. So if we multiply our numerator and our denominator by 7s, we get 63 over 7x. And now we can see here that the time for swimming, which is 63 over 7x, is less than the time for walking. And since that time is less than the time for walking, it shows that swimming is faster in this scenario. So with questions that you get with comparing speeds, or comparing the distance, always be ready to take unknowns as X or Y or whatever letter you want. Make sure it doesn't confuse you if it's important to another part of the question. For example, if we took speed as A, it might confuse with the points. And so with fractions as well, you want to get them to a place where they can be easily compared for these kinds of questions. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.